Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will give you shake transition preset pack for Adobe Premiere Pro. These transitions are really amazing. You can use in your next project for free. You just need to drag and drop this transition on your adjustment layer and you're all set to go. So let's jump into the video and let's see how you can download these transitions for free and how you can use it in Adobe Premiere Pro. These transitions are completely free. You can get the download link in the description below. Must check it out. You can support my work on Patreon and get more than 100 templates for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. So make sure you can check it out. Link in the description below. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use these transitions in every version of Adobe Premiere. You don't need to worry about it. So firstly, you need to go to Effects. In a preset, just right click and import preset. Now select the preset file that you actually downloaded and it will automatically appear in your effects panel. So by the way, if your effects panel isn't appear here, you just need to go to Windows and here we have a effects option. Make sure it is selected. Now here we have 4 different transitions over here. So for using it, you need an adjustment layer. Create a new adjustment layer. Drag and drop it above to your footage like so. As you can see, the adjustment layer length is way more longer, so we need to cut this out. So it's actually on you how much second transition you actually need. So I personally prefer 10 frame transition. So for that, I just hold shift right arrow key and here is the 5 frame. So we need to make a cut right here. For that, I just control K. Or you can select a razor tool if you really want to do. Just hold shift again, left arrow key. So here we have it at a midpoint. Hold shift, left arrow key, and here is the 5 frame on left side. We need to make a cut right here as well. Delete these extra adjustment layers. Now here we have a 10 frame adjustment layer, which is actually fine for me. You can increase or decrease the length of adjustment layer for decreasing or increasing the length of your transition. So all we need to do is just drag your transition to your adjustment layer just like so, and you are ready to go. Yeah, it looks really clean. You can also customize this transition if you are really familiar with Adobe Premiere. You just need to select your adjustment layer, go to effects control, and here we have a transform, right? So it's actually all about transform. So if you are really good with it, you can actually customize it. But if you are not familiar, if you are not a pro editor, I don't recommend you to change anything over here. If you don't know about these things, don't mess with it, right? So let's try out another transition. So here at the 4th transition, we have 2 different files over here. So for that, we need to cut out our adjustment layer from mid. Control K. So here we have a 2 part of adjustment layers. So all we need to do is drag a left adjustment layer for the left part and the right adjustment layer for the right part. So here we go. Yeah, it looks really good. You can also customize this transition. Go to effect control and here we have all the things that I applied to make this transition. You can change if you really want to do. So before ending this video, I just want to take a minute and tell you guys about Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is one of the best software for you if you are a beginner or you just start up your video editing career. In Filmora, we have a couple of features that save a ton of time as a beginner. So here we have a stock media. So it means you can just drag and drop any stock media that you actually need in your project. We have pre-made titles over here. We have different categories that you can select according to your requirements. We have pre-made transitions. We have transition categories as well. So you can select any transition that you want. So in Filmora, basically, we don't need to create a new transition. We don't need to create a new title, new effects. We can use their pre-built title transition to save a ton of time. So I really recommend you go ahead and check it out. Filmora, link in the description below. So this video is all about shake transition. So let me show you how you can get a shake transition using Filmora. So firstly, we need to create adjustment layer. Just go to media, adjustment layer, drag and drop it above to your clip. Now it's purely on you how much second transition you actually need. So I need a 10 frame transition as I done in Adobe Premiere. So just count a 5 frame on the right side and 5 frame on left side. Now here we have a 10 frame adjustment layer. Now it's time to apply shake effect. So for that, simply go to effects. In our video effects, we have a proper shake category. So here we have a couple of shakes that you can actually use as a transition. It's basically effects, but I am using it as a transition. So let me try out this one. Just apply to your adjustment layer and there we go. Yeah, it looks really good. You can just double click on your adjustment layer, go to effects, and here we have a couple of properties about our shake effect. You can change it if you really want to do. You can change the frequency, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and you can also turn on and turn off the RGB separate if you really want to do. Yeah, it looks really clean by the way. Yeah, so let me try out another one. So I just go with this one, up, down. Yeah, this looks really good as well. You can customize anything that you want. So I really recommend you guys, if you are a beginner or you just want to start up your video editing career, you can check it out, Filmora, for free. Link in the description below. So yeah, that's all about this video. I hope you like this shake transition pack. If you like this pack, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any question about this pack, please do let me know in the comment section. You can support my work on Patreon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.